In today's digital age, email has become one of the primary modes of communication. Whether it's for personal or professional purposes, we all rely on emails to connect with others. However, have you ever experienced the frustration of sending an important email only to have it ignored or overlooked? If so, you're not alone. The subject line is often the first thing recipients see when they receive an email. It serves as a gatekeeper, determining whether your message gets opened and read or ends up in the abyss of unread emails. To ensure that your emails demand attention and get noticed amidst the sea of messages flooding inboxes daily, mastering the art of writing killer subject lines is crucial. Understand your reader's problem. The key to crafting compelling subject lines lies in understanding your reader's problem and addressing it directly. People are more likely to open an email if they feel that it offers a solution to their pain points. For example, tired of low email open rates? Boost engagement with these subject line strategies. Unique rationale. To entice readers into opening your email, provide them with a unique rationale for doing so. Explain why they should invest their time in reading what you have to say and how it will benefit them specifically. Discover how crafting killer subject lines can skyrocket your email open rates. Concrete takeaways. Numbers add credibility and make your promises tangible for readers who seek practical tips or advice. Proven techniques for writing irresistible subject lines that grab attention. Expand on points. Don't settle for generic statements. Expand on each point by providing examples or case studies that illustrate its effectiveness. Example: how John increased his email open rate by 50% using these killer subject line formulas. Now that we understand the importance of crafting killer subject lines, let's delve into the strategies that can help you achieve this goal. Personalization. People appreciate personalized content, and the same applies to email subject lines. Including the recipient's name or referencing their specific needs or interests in your subject line will make it more compelling. John, boost your email open rates with these subject line hacks. Urgency. Creating a sense of urgency in your subject line can motivate readers to take immediate action. Limited time offer. Get 50% off on our best-selling product today only. Curiosity. Humans are naturally curious creatures, and using curiosity-inducing subject lines can pique their interest and entice them to open your email. You won't believe what we've discovered about increasing email engagement. Benefit-driven language. Highlighting the benefits readers will gain from opening your email is a powerful way to capture their attention. Unlock insider secrets for doubling your sales with this simple email strategy. Avoid spam triggers. Certain words or phrases trigger spam filters, causing emails to land in recipients' junk folders instead of their primary inbox. Be mindful of these triggers and avoid using them in your subject lines. Now that you're armed with these killer strategies for writing attention-grabbing subject lines, it's time to put them into practice. Remember that consistency is key. Don't expect instant results overnight, but keep refining and experimenting until you find what works best for your audience. In conclusion, writing killer subject lines is an art form that requires careful thought and consideration. By understanding your reader's problem, providing unique rationale, offering concrete takeaways through numbers-based tips, expanding on each point with examples or case studies, all while incorporating personalization techniques like using names or referencing specific needs, you'll be well on your way to creating captivating subject lines that demand attention. So, the next time you sit down to write an email, remember that the subject line is your golden ticket to getting noticed. With these strategies in your arsenal, you'll be able to break through the clutter and ensure that your emails receive the attention they deserve. Happy emailing!